Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix connection error invalid MMI code on your Android device. Okay, so for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. So when you're facing this type of error, first you need to enable the airplane mode on your phone. After enabling, just disable it. Okay, do it 1 or 2 times like this. After doing this guys, check your issue was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now you can try this next method. Now you need to open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, go to network and internet and go to sim card manager. From here you need to disable the sim card, means turn off your sim card one time. After doing this guys, just turn it on again and then restart your phone one time. After restarting, now check your issue was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem, once again open your phone settings, go to network and internet, go to mobile network, open advanced settings like this, and here you need to select the network type to automatically just enable this option. After doing this guys, now check your issue was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now you need to change the sim slots on your phone. Okay, after doing this guys, hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, last and final method is this guys. You need to reset your network settings. To reset the settings, open the settings on your phone once again, and here you need to search reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth setting. Just open it and simply select reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth settings. It will reset your network settings on your phone. After doing this guys, it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.